Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a really cool feature, honestly one of the top 5 I have seen at CES. This is MSI's AI Artist, and it is really something that I cannot tell you how much of a big deal this is for someone like a content creator like myself. Yes, this generates photos, which we've seen before in a lot of different references. I love the prompts and how to import a reference image on this, really made simple. But the best feature about this is when you export it, you can export it as a PSD. That is insane. The fact that I can edit a AI generated photo is absolutely amazing. I love the ability that this is going to give me, and I can actually create photos from AI and then utilize it for thumbnails, for anything else. This is something really spectacular, and honestly, this already is, like I said, a top 5 thing that I've seen here at CES. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think if you're editing, content creating, this is going to be really big. It's going to be launching on MSI's website, so you will be able to test it. As soon as it comes out, I definitely will do a full video for you guys. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.